Okay, Christy, this one's for you. And not for me, it's for the other Christy. C. Mac. Alright. Knock, knock. Oops. It looks like Lulu's home. Hi, Lulu. Here's the casa. There's Lulu's house. She doesn't drink Dr. Pepper, but sometimes I do. There you go. Alright. Oops, I'm still putting things on the walls, but whatever. You wanted to see, so I'm going to show you. Here is the dining room slash pigsty slash my office until my office is clean. And there's my kitchen. I think I maybe should turn a light on. I don't know if that will help or not, but anyway. Kitchen, fridge, yes. I live here or something. So, my office needs to be cleaned in the next 2 weeks because this is not conducive for studying. And the baño still has to be fixed, but here is the baño. It's rather exciting, right? Spare bedroom downstairs. This is a bed for one of my nephews today. They come tomorrow. And then it will be for